Now, we are, I'd say,
You're darn close.
yeah. So let's go ahead, Garrett. Let's go ahead and zap those bolts.
Should we put the block underneath the diff itself, or
Yes.
on the?
No, on the diff itself.
Yeah, yeah.
Oh, it's supported right now. on the
Okay,
diff.
perfect.
Okay. Okay. So
Maybe
we're
I'll
good
put a
there.
little more pressure on it.
So you could drop it down just a tiny bit.
Skosh.
Just a tiny bit.
All right. Skosh it is.
And then Garrett, we're gonna go ahead and zap all these bolts out. Right there, Rob. You're good.
Okay.
Okay, yeah, go ahead. You can use the impact on it now because they're all broken
Here
loose.
you go.
I forgot that we could totally use that. Or the ratchet, doesn't matter.
Now it looks like it's pretty evenly.
It looks pretty
It's not gonna
good.
tip or anything. at
Yeah,
this point,
yeah.
is it?
So what's gonna happen is the back is gonna settle down right here,
Yep.
and
Yep.
we should be good.
Yeah.
Okay. Go ahead and do the fronts first, Garrett. The front, it's not going to actually drop because it's actually 100% supported right
Yeah,
now.
yeah. It's on the...
Yep.
Now, wait. One more question.
Yes.
We don't know if it's going to get front heavy yet, do we?
Well, yeah, that's the thing is no. Let's
You know what? Just
put your floor jack
I'm gonna put a floor
underneath
jack under it.
under that cross member.
I'd rather not find out the hard way. How did Mike's car do when you did this?
Well, we did have a jack underneath the front, whether we needed it or not, but we did have a jack. So